A new era of burps has begun. Now I'm 16. I've been dating my boyfriend for 2 years. I've forgotten how to hold a camera, so it's gonna go like this, and I can still burp. Look at my penguin nails. Look at me, so cute. Oh, I wish that this camera could capture the base of my burps, because they're absolutely immense. Kind of boring, but I'm still burping, so it doesn't really matter. You guys will eat up either way. Am I relapsing? I wonder what my brother's doing.
Holy fuck.
Don't you have a response, Jake?
No.
Respond. Smoky in here. Ow! You asshole! Ow! Dumb fucking ass. Took my friggin' lighter, throws it at my foot and hurts me. How long has it been? Only 3 minutes? Oh my goodness. It's late, I want to go to bed, but I have to continue making this video. I've dedicated myself to this, may as well. There's a fire burning in my heart. Well, that's horrible. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. We could have had it all, rolling in the deep. You had my heart and soul in your hand, and you played it through the deep. I went snowmobiling and I was going 60 the whole way on a bumpy road, and now I can't sit or stand or walk. Walk with a limp kind of sucks. Oh yeah. We can fire desires. I'm doing it for a thrill. Oh, I'm hoping you'll understand and let me go on my own. I'm going in for the kill. I'm doing it for a thrill. Oh, I'm hoping you'll understand and let me go on my own. Enough of that. Oh, my cuckoo clock! Pretty cool. Yeah, it's about time to stop this video.
Peace out.